and thank you so much for joining me. I am your host, Eric. Once again, I'm really glad to join you guys this evening. Today, I basically wanted to tell you that I am finally back. I've missed everybody, but we're going to go ahead and roll on with the weather here. We don't really have any concerns right now as far as the weather goes, but I do want to give you guys a little bit of heads up that just keep in mind that we are going to be expecting some active weather across the Midwest, and I'm going to be watching that for the next 24 to 48 hours, so things might be kind of jumpy. We're not expected to see any severe weather or anything like that, but I'm going to tell you, today was actually a very, very nice day. Temperatures actually in the 70s. Very, very nice. This is actually the first day. I didn't even have to wear a jacket or anything like that, so that was kind of very nice. So I am going to find out and see exactly when we will be expecting all of this wild weather to arrive in our neck of the woods. So let me see if I have anything on here. Oh my goodness, I guess I got to give me one moment. I gotta put one other thing on this computer. One moment, I gotta find it, because it looks like we've got some wild weather making its way across the Midwest. So let me see, and it's severe weather, so I gotta put my watches and my warnings up to get things going, and as we go along I will have updated information as we go along. Give me one moment, I gotta figure out where all of that is. Okay, so let me see. I gotta figure out. I'm trying to figure this out. One moment. Okay, I'm gonna make this a little bit smaller if I can. I don't want to make it too big. I want to be able to... Okay, there we go. Okay, as you can see on our on the radar, you can actually see on the models as well that there's actually a tornado watch that is in effect down in the south over here. This does not pertain to Michigan or anybody of that nature, but there is a tornado watch way down in the south over there, so if you live down in the south, in this area right along here, there is a tornado watch that is in effect, so please take that very seriously. So I would say at any time during the evening hours, there probably will be warnings, severe thunderstorm warnings in the whole 9 yards and all that kind of stuff. So we'll just make sure that we keep you covered on everything that's going on down there. So I had to minimize it a little bit to figure out exactly where that was coming from. That's just the start of what is yet to come. But the most active will be on the way, and I'm going to tell you more about that. I have to overlook weather reports and things like that. So this is just the start of what's going on. But we'll talk about our weather really quick. We had rain that had pushed on through our area. All of the rain is gone, and things are drying out. And then we had temperatures that reached 70 today. And like I said, I didn't have to wear a jacket today, which was kind of nice. So I'm really happy about that. So most definitely, the severe weather protection I will be watching very, very closely, so you know. I just wanted to give you a little bit of info on that. That I'll be watching that very closely. Down here, down in the south, there's actually a chance of marginal risk of severe weather. Down in these areas, right here, have a chance of seeing some isolated severe weather. But the further south you go, you're going to run into this tornado watch. So there's going to be some action way down in this area over here. But for the rest of the Midwest, things are fairly quiet. I'm going to let you know when we're going to be expecting the most active day for severe weather. And that's going to be in the next update for sure. And I'll let you know how bad that one's going to be. But I will be keeping an eye on this one for the remainder of the rest of the evening into the overnight hours. And then I will have more updates on what else may progress as we go into time. So that tornado watch is way down in the south, and it's right along in this area right here. So if you live way down in this part of the Midwest, you guys are under that tornado watch. So please be careful down there. Tornado watch means severe weather. So please be careful. I'll have more details and all that kind of stuff coming up in just a little bit on all the action going on down in that area. So that might be very interesting to watch. So anyway, I'm gonna check really quick to see if I have any other announcements or updates that I need to tell you guys about. Just a minute. I'm gonna double check really quick, and then I will let you guys know as we go into the remainder of the rest of the evening, and then we'll talk about our weather in Michigan and what we can expect, what we're not expected. Any severe weather at all. So severe weather is not going to be an issue for us here in Michigan, so that's actually that's a thumbs up right now. So you don't have to really worry or be concerned about that. We're going to be in the A-OK part, so hopefully a lot of you guys got the chance to enjoy the weather while it was nice, and that didn't even have to worry about wearing a jacket, which surprises me. But we will be talking about not only severe weather, we will be talking about the temperatures, and we will be talking about changes in temperatures and how fast all of the temperatures are going to go into effect. So things are going to change soon. And I will have that update coming up in just a little bit. Stay tuned on Eric's weather forecast. I'll have more coming up live tonight at 7.